Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best truck bed lights is probably one of the most underrated upgrades for any truck owner. Imagine yourself, late at night, trying to find your tools or cargo in the dark. Frustrating, right? Well, truck bed lights with a tailgate switch solve that problem instantly, providing brilliant illumination exactly when and where you need it. This video will explore the top options, helping you find the perfect lighting solution for your truck. Number 5. MICTUNING 60-inch truck bed lights. These lights from MICTUNING feature bright white LED strips, perfect for lighting up your truck bed. They provide superior illumination, making it easy to see in the dark. Each strip has 60 LEDs, providing plenty of light for your cargo area. The lights are rated 12V and come with ample wiring for easy installation. The lights include an on-off switch and a blade fuse for safety. This allows you to control the lights and ensures electrical safety while driving. These LED truck bed lights are well made and sealed for durability. With an IP67 rating, they're protected against the elements and have a long lifespan. Installation is quick and easy with the adhesive tape. Simply peel and stick the strips to any smooth surface. Extra ties are included to keep the wires neat. What we like. This product provides superior illumination with its high-brightness LED strips, ensuring your entire truck bed is well lit. With its durable and waterproof design, it's built to last, even in harsh conditions. If you frequently work in your truck bed at night or need reliable lighting for camping trips, you should consider this. What people say. Installation is straightforward on these. The lights adhere amazingly well, even over the Line-X bed protector. Great kit, relatively easy to install, missing some basic materials, but if you're doing this you should already have everything on hand: extra wires, heat shrink, electrical tape, crimped solder, something to connect to power, and some silicone if you cut any strips to size. Include zip ties but nowhere near enough. Number 4. SWATOW Industries Truck Bed LED Light Bar Kits. These truck bed lights feature 72 LEDs and a flood beam design, making them 300% brighter than others. It provides the perfect amount of brightness, eliminating the need for bulky work lights at night. The cool fishbone shape and all-black housing make it easy to hide. It blends seamlessly into your truck's bedside panels, maintaining the factory look while adding a cool edge for off-roading. Installation is simple using 3M stickers or screws. Just plug in the connectors, and you can control them with the on-off switch. With an IP68 waterproof rating, these lights are protected from moisture and dust. High-quality ABS housing and wiring harness ensure strength and rigidity, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 plus hours. These lights fit all 12V DC vehicles, including trucks, pickups, vans, and RVs. The harness is long enough for all sizes and types of vehicles. It can be used as various lights. What we like. This product features a unique fishbone design that seamlessly blends into your truck's bed. It offers 300% brighter illumination than others, ensuring maximum visibility. If you are looking for a stylish and powerful lighting solution for off-roading or simply want to enhance your truck's appearance, you should consider this. What people say. Hook it up, looks great, bright enough to see everything in the truck bed. I added them to a 2022 Chevy Silverado I tied into the existing cargo lights, no trouble with the BCM. Illumina Perfectament Wi-Fi installation. Number 3. Xprite 60 LED Truck Bed Light Strip Kit. This kit features two 60-inch light strips, each equipped with 90 super bright LEDs. It offers low power consumption and a lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours, perfect for both interior and exterior use. The LED strips are encased in a flexible tube, built to endure harsh weather conditions. Rain or snow, this design ensures the lights remain functional and reliable. For safety, it easily connects with positive-negative wiring and includes an inline fuse to protect your truck's electrical system. An on-off switch is included for easy control. Installation is simple with pre-applied adhesive tape. Brackets and screws are also included for a more secure and robust hold. This light kit is versatile, suitable for truck beds, cargo areas, RV awnings, and more. Compatible with any vehicle using a 12V power source, it's a great addition to your vehicle. What we like. This product offers bright white illumination with its super bright LEDs. The weatherproof design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you are looking for a simple and effective lighting solution for your truck bed, RV, or boat, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install, highly recommend. Now I can see the entire trunk bed at night. It's been 4 months since I installed these lights, and they still work as if I installed them yesterday. Easy to install and nice and bright. Great product. Number 2. Nilight TR05 60-inch LED Bed Strip Kit. This is the Nilight TR05 LED Bed Strip Kit. It features impressive brightness with 180 LEDs, outputting super bright white light. It's designed to light up your entire truck bed, making it easier to see in the dark. Installation is a breeze. The kit comes with self-adhesive tape for easy sticking. You can also use the included mounting hardware for extra security. It's designed to be a simple, hassle-free setup. The kit includes a two-way splitter, blade fuses, an on-off switch, and an extension cable. These components ensure circuit safety while driving. This makes the electrical setup easy and safe. This light strip is built to last. It has an IP67 sealed housing, protecting it from the elements. It's also flexible and durable, with a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. This versatile light kit can be used in many applications. It's perfect for RV awnings, truck beds, step bars, and side doors. It's a great solution for adding extra light where you need it. What we like. This product provides impressive brightness with its high-density LED chips, ensuring your truck bed is well lit. It features quick installation with strong adhesive tape and mounting hardware. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install lighting solution with safety features, you should consider this. What people say. This provides good lighting to the truck bed. Super easy install, hooked up to the truck box light wire and is super bright. Would recommend this product. They even light up the tailgate enough for a makeshift workstation. Number 1. 60-inch white LED light strip kit. Tired of fumbling in the dark? This LED light strip kit is the perfect solution. It provides bright, white light to illuminate your truck bed, cargo area, or any space you need. Built to withstand the elements, this light strip is waterproof and ready for any adventure. Whether it's rain or shine, you can count on it to provide reliable lighting. Installation is a breeze with the included instructions and hardware. You can quickly and easily mount it on your truck bed, boat, RV, or SUV. This light strip isn't just for trucks. It's perfect for boats, RVs, and SUVs too. It's a versatile lighting solution for all your needs. Control the light with the convenient on-off switch. It's easy to use and puts you in control of your lighting. Get yours today. What we like. This product is waterproof and designed for easy installation. It includes an on-off switch for convenient control. If you are looking for a simple and reliable lighting solution for your truck bed, you should consider this. What people say. Easy install. I tapped into the constant power line for my trailer hookup on the underside of the truck bed. Provide plenty of light inside my camper shell and truck bed. To see and do about anything I need to do. Easy install, durable product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.